All right, welcome back. Intro got deleted somehow, but I took off the stock exhaust here, took off the shield. It was literally all I needed is this right here. I honestly don't know the sizes because I need like 3 of them. So there's like a bolt right here. There was one on the heat shield, which was down here, and that one. Unscrew that, and yeah, I loosened this one, and yeah, about to install the aftermarket exhaust and see how that goes. So stay tuned. This is how the aftermarket one's gonna look. I haven't tightened it yet, but oh my god, guys, the difference between the other one and this, huge difference. Excited, guys, can't wait. All right, everyone, just got the exhaust installed. That's the old piece of junk. Super heavy and huge, guys. That's the new one. I am absolutely in love. Look at how it looks. So you come here, it's literally just straight piped. It has no DP killer, whatever, nothing in it. So it's just a straight piped with clamp this on, put these two, and yeah, that's how it looks. Super hyped on it. It's a little late right now. My dad is right here in the living room and we got family over, so I'll start it up for you guys tomorrow and show you how it sounds. I know I'm as anxious as you guys are. But yeah, thank you for watching. Here it is, 2022 Ninja 400 KRT exhaust install. Old, new, straight piped, carbon exhaust tip. And yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. I think it looks pretty good. If I did any mistakes so I feel like I kind of positioned it a little to the right. So you guys let me know if this is a little like too out. I'll for sure, put it back in. But yeah, for now, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Super excited. Guys, by the way, the bike has 50 miles and it's already straight piped. I just have to point that out. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Straight pipe king over here. As you guys know, straight piped R-line. Poor R-line right there. But yeah, guys, have a good night. Peace out.